Behold the peacock, nature's masterpiece.
The sunbird dances among flowers, a living jewel that brings warmth and light to the garden.
They sing while touching the sky.
Rain. Rare, unforgettable sounds.
Swifts, agile acrobats of the sky, glide effortlessly over the frosty expanse.
Two small birds, but voices that melt the forest.
One copies the world, the other sings the soul. Tiny bodies, golden voices.
Nature's best singers, face to face. Nature's best singers, face to face.
Mountain echoes meet forest rhythm.
Smart minds with playful voices.
छोटी सी आवाज, लेकिन बहुत पावर.
Flying colors with singing wings.
दूर से आती आवाज जो दिल तक जाती है.
दूर से आती आवाज, जो दिल तक.
When Europe sleeps, the nightingale and the lyrebird create magic. One bird, 1,000 voices echoing through the forest.
Singing while touching the clouds.
One bird, 1,000 voices echoing through the forest. A silent hunter of the north, the great gray owl rules the snowy forests with unmatched grace.
Swans, symbols of serenity, move gracefully over the frozen waters.
Crows, intelligent and mysterious, scan the world from above with sharp eyes.
When Europe sleeps, the nightingale and the lyrebird bird.
Kites, elegant gliders, ride winter winds with unmatched poise. Hawks, agile and keen-eyed, dominate the cold mountain skies.
The peacock, nature's jewel, displays dazzling colors, even amid winter's chill. Pigeons, the urban navigators, fill the skyline with graceful flight and soft coos.
Parrots, vibrant and intelligent, chatter and mimic, bringing life to the forest.
Owls, masters of the night, hunt silently beneath the pale moonlight.
Mynas, master mimics, announce the morning with cheerful whistles across snowy branches.
Hens, nurturing and watchful, cluck softly while foraging in the winter chill.
Penguins, resilient and social, thrive amidst icy giants of the south.
Partridges, cautious and grounded, thrive in the wintry fields, searching for seeds.
Bulbuls, cheerful and vibrant, fill the frosty forest with melodic songs.
Cranes, elegant and stately, dance gracefully amid frozen waters.
The lori's rainbow feathers shine in the sunlight, a living promise of nature's magic.
Ducks, resilient and sociable, quack softly while navigating icy ponds.
Woodpeckers, persistent and strong, drum the forest with rhythmic precision.
The peafowl shines brilliantly, each feather a sparkling jewel of nature.
Malachite sunbird, a tiny jewel, drinks nectar while spreading color and joy.
Alert and quick, the mongoose bird moves with sharp awareness.
Ducks, resilient and sociable, quack softly while navigating icy ponds. Penguins, resilient and social, thrive amidst icy giants of the south. Ostriches, giants of the plains, stride powerfully across wintry landscapes.
Bulbuls, cheerful and vibrant, fill the frosty forest with melodic songs.
Flycatcher waits patiently, then strikes with perfect timing.
Ostriches, giants of the plains, stride powerfully across wintry landscapes.
Flamingos, elegant and striking, turn even icy waters into a stage of beauty.
Quails, cautious yet lively, forage together while calling softly to one another.
Wild dove spreads calm through gentle flight and soft calls.
Indian roller paints the sky with electric blue flight.
White eagle floats calmly, strength hidden in grace.
Snowy owl blends with ice, ruling silence with sharp eyes.
Rock doves master balance and teamwork among stone walls.
In the cold, snow sparrows stay close to survive. Along the river, companionship brings calm and safety. Island birds share freedom, flying as one.
In the cold, snow sparrows stay close to survive.
Wilder hawks communicate through the skies, bonded by instinct. Desert sparrow thrives against harsh heat.
White peacock stands as a symbol of purity.
Mountain sparrow survives where air is thin.
Along the river, companionship brings calm and safety.
Short-eared owls fly together, trusting silence more than sound. Budgeriggers fly free, together.
Weaver birds build love with patience.
Tailor birds stitch trust into every leaf. In nature, love is quiet, but forever. Hens, gentle and watchful, cluck softly while foraging in the winter.
Alert and quick, the mongoose bird moves with sharp awareness.
Peafowl stands proud, carrying royalty in every feather. Mountain sparrow survives where air is thin.
Wild partridge survives through awareness and teamwork.
Black coral sings unseen, its voice echoing mystery. Red partridge adds color to quiet lands.
Penguins survive the cold by staying together.
Doves carry peace through partnership.
Swans write love stories that last a lifetime.
Mandarin ducks mirror beauty and balance in love.
Parakeets bond through play and trust.
Frigate birds share the sky, never landing alone.
Seagulls find freedom side by side.
Pelicans move together, trust floating with them. Ibises share silence and balance near water.
Ibises share silence and balance near water.
Puffins return to the same partner, year after year.
Albatross bonds last a lifetime, written in the wind.
Secretary birds hunt and rest as partners. Cassowaries share territory with silent respect.
Kiwi pairs stay connected, even in darkness.
Toucans share joy through color and closeness.
Budgerigars build bonds through play and sound.
Hornbills protect family through patience and loyalty.
Jays share space, trust growing quietly between calls.
Cockatoos show love through care and attention.
Swifts bond in motion, trusting the wind together.
Cranes dance, celebrating lifelong connection. Hummingbirds meet briefly, but intensely.
Jays share space, trust growing quietly between calls.
Hoopos express care through gentle gestures.
Peacocks end the chapter with beauty, pride, and devotion.
Parakeets share comfort through closeness and chatter.
Macaws stay loyal, flying life's long journey together.
Kingfishers bond through patience and precision. Kingfishers bond through patience and precision.
flower by flower.
Blackbirds stay close, finding warmth in presence.
Turtle doves whisper love through calm cooes. Asian cools answer each other, call by call.
Penguins survive cold through warmth of togetherness.
Puffins return home to the same love.
Royal swans close the story. Love, trust, and forever.
Flamingos mirror balance, standing strong together.
Wild swans move together, trusting every step.
Demoiselle cranes move in harmony and grace. Bulbuls share joy in simple moments. European doves stay near, finding comfort in togetherness.
Yellow parrot shines like sunshine among leaves.
Roosters announce the dawn, their crow piercing the chilly morning air with authority.
Nature gives us beauty, love, and peace.